Bonjour! In this grammar presentation, we're going to go over the basic way to negate a sentence. And by the end of this presentation, you should be able to recognize basic negative sentences. In English, basic negation is expressed with not or an apostrophe T and. For instance, the negative equivalent of I speak French is I don't speak French, and the negative equivalent of I'm French is I'm not French. In French, basic negation is expressed with two words, ne and pas, placed around the verb. So the negative equivalent of je parle français, I speak French, is je ne parle pas français, I don't speak French. Repeat after me, je ne parle pas français. Same thing, the negation of je comprends, I understand, is je ne comprends pas, I don't understand. Repeat after me, je ne comprends pas. The negative version of il y a un professeur, there's a teacher or there's a professor, is il n'y a pas de professeur, there isn't any teacher or there is no teacher. Repeat after me, il n'y a pas de professeur. Note that the ne becomes an apostrophe in front of a vowel sound. This is an example of elision. So, j'ai compris, I understood. As for negative form, je n'ai pas compris, I didn't understand. Repeat after me, je n'ai pas compris. J'habite en France, I live in France. Has for negative form, je n'habite pas en France, I don't live in France. Repeat after me, je n'habite pas en France. Application, identify the negative sentences. You can now pause the video and do the application exercise. 1. Il n'y a pas de fenêtre is negative. Repeat after me. Il n'y a pas de fenêtre. Which means there is no window, there isn't any window. 2. Il y a des bureaux is affirmative. Repeat after me. Il y a des bureaux. Which means there are desks or there are offices. 3. Nous ne comprenons pas l'exercice is negative. Repeat after me. Nous ne comprenons pas l'exercice. Which means we don't understand the exercise. 4. Ils n'ont pas fini l'activité is negative. Repeat after me. Ils n'ont pas fini l'activité. Which means they're not done with the activity, they haven't finished the activity. 5. Tu comprends la consigne is affirmative. Repeat after me. Tu comprends la consigne? Which means, do you understand the instruction? 6. Je n'ai pas compris is negative. Repeat after me. Je n'ai pas compris. Which means I didn't get it, I didn't understand, or I have not understood. 7. Je ne sais pas is negative. Repeat after me. Je ne sais pas. Which means I don't know. 8. J'ai fini is affirmative. Repeat after me. J'ai fini. Which means I'm done, I've finished. 9. Il n'habite pas à Paris is negative. Repeat after me. Il n'habite pas à Paris, which means it doesn't live in Paris. 10. Vous ne comprenez pas is negative. Repeat after me. Vous ne comprenez pas, which means don't you understand? And if you have questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Au revoir.